How to use reference only ControlNet for stunning image outputs. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use reference only ControlNet for stunning image outputs. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is upload a reference image. Over here, if you provide a picture of a person, it will generally produce an image with that person in it, but the resemblance may not be exact. After that, choose the reference type and set the method as the reference only option. Then choose the balanced option and hit generate. For example, if you put a Japanese male image, the output should be an image of a Japanese male. Then, let's say you have a photo of a person at a bar with a blue jacket. By using the reference only method, the model will likely produce an Asian man with a blue jacket. After that, you can review the generated images, and you should see an Asian person at a bar with some references to the blue shirt. Now, if you want to try with different clothing, over here, change the prompt and be deliberately vague about the dress. Then hit generate and you should see outputs with a Spanish female wearing a red dress. After that, you can experiment with the settings in the reference ControlNet model. Choose between the balance, prompt, or control modes. The balance option gives equal weighting to both the input prompt and the reference image. The prompt mode weighs more on the prompt, and the control mode puts more emphasis on the reference image. So that's how you can use reference only ControlNet for stunning image outputs. That's all for this video.